Okay, let me just quickly go through what is all included in this package here. So for starters, there's the installation guide on how you can install this script, how you can make it work. It really takes only about 2, 3, maximum 5 minutes to set up. It's very straightforward. If you have any questions, our contact information is in here as well, and we would be happy to assist you with that as well. And then secondly, there's a guide on how to make the most out of this fancy tool, and there's some very cool tips and tricks of things that I've been doing and been very successful with using. So yeah, it's all included in this package, and then here we go. Once you get the script set up, this is what your login page would look like. You simply log in, and then you would go and add a new campaign. What I'll do just for this demonstration purposes here, we'll just open up an existing campaign and just kind of show you what it looks like. So you name, first of all, is the name of a campaign. Very straightforward. Just put in whatever you want to name this campaign, and as you should know, you only have to set up the script once, and you can use it on as many websites as you want. You can just always add a new campaign and can have as many campaigns as you would like, but you only really have to install the script once. But then again, you can install it as often as you would like to. So and then here we go for the title. When your site is pinged, it will randomly pick a title, so you can have a title per line, or you can even randomize this. Let's say instead of Monday, you want it switch between Saturday, so it will randomly pick between Monday or Saturday night as a title. And you can spin any text in here. It's endless possibilities there. I have some very cool tricks that I have in the report that I will show you on how you can really make the most out of this script here, and really make a lot of use out of it. So we'll move on to the next options here. Your preferences. Which page would you like to ping? The page that the visitor is on, or any other page? In this demonstration here, we have a few other domains that we ping instead of the one that the visitor is on, but you can also just add it here. Click self-pinging, and it will ping the one that the visitor is on. Very cool, very powerful. But if you have a lot of traffic to that site, you could always just select custom pinging and put all the links from your blog, for instance, put all the pages, individual pages of your site in here, and then it would make sure that all of the pages are equally as often pinged. It's really good to stay on top of the search engines for all of your posts and stuff. So it's very cool, very powerful method. And then moving down here, it's the RSS feed. It is optional. You don't have to put anything in here, but you have the option of putting in an RSS feed. This can be from your blog or any other RSS feed that you want to ping, and it's very cool, a very neat feature as well. And then to explain this here, I should maybe really go down here and start from the bottom. Quite often, it's pretty much what the script does. It pings the page that the visitor's on, or one of the alternatives that you've given in here, and it will also ping the page that the visitor came from. So if your visitor came from around a blog, it would ping that blog as well. So it always pings two pages on top of the RSS feed. But let's say the visitor came from Google search result, and you don't want to ping it simply because there's nothing there to ping really. Because it was from a search engine, you just type in those domains here that you do not want to ping from, and then it will randomly pick one of the backlinks that you put in here and ping those instead of the ones that it normally should have pinged. So basically, when you tell it to ignore one, it'll ping the other one. As explained, these are the randomized titles. You have the option of self-pinging the page that the visitor is on, or a custom page, domain or whatever, URL, and then you also have the option of putting in an RSS feed. And if you so desire, you can randomly, you can pretty much put in all the backlinks that you create for your website. You can put them in here, and it will ping them on a random basis as well. You can put in your IP address in here, so that every time you go onto that page, it ignores it, it does not ping it, simply to avoid any pinging spam or anything like that. But you should also know that this script is equipped with a 24-hour timer, so if the same visitor returns within a couple hours or any minute or whatever, within a 24-hour time frame, it will not ping the page again, simply to avoid any pinging spam or anything like that. So it is pretty much foolproof, very solid, very powerful, and it's all here for the grabbing for you. And okay, so I'll just quickly go under view campaigns. So it'll just, the campaign we just looked at, you can click here, edit it, you can delete it, you can pause it. Here is a code pretty much for that campaign. What you do is you copy and paste this code onto the web page, onto the website where you want this to take place. And again, it can be on any website, it doesn't have to be the one on the website where this script is on. So let's say you have a dogtraining.com blog, you can simply put this on the main page, and every visitor that comes on there will ping the links, URLs, and everything that you have in the campaign. Going back here, you have a stats page. It shows you the statistics. No stats found. It simply means that this campaign has not been pinged yet, but it shows you how many times it's been pinged, everything very detailed. And then what's even more cool is you get an RSS feed. I can't show you the link right now, but you get an RSS feed out of the campaign that you just created, and you can take that and submit it to any RSS aggregator that you want to, like Pingler or whatever. But again, all these details will be in the report, and I will show you exactly how to best go about it, and the whole 9 yards, everything that comes with it. Again, it's just very, very powerful, very cool script. Yeah, you really can't go wrong. To go into further detail, I should maybe just leave this out here, but just to give you an idea of how powerful this is, for the RSS that randomly is created from your campaign, you can control every aspect of it as well. It randomly takes your keywords, plants them in here into the description, the RSS feed description, and you can randomize the text that appears in the description as well. So it's super cool. It automates a whole lot of work, and again, it's just super powerful. So that's pretty much it for the script here. And again, there's a cool guide that comes with it where I try to explain everything that I use that has worked really well for me, and just some powerful tricks and secrets that I've been doing over the months and have had great success with. So without any further ado, I will shut this video down, and yeah, I'm looking forward to having you as my customer.